Hi, we have some holiday recipes to show you guys today. First, we have a lemon herb chicken. The ingredients for our chicken are 1 whole chicken. The recipe calls for a 3-pound chicken. This is actually a 6-pound chicken, so we just doubled the ingredients. But you can figure out whichever works for you and your family. So we have a whole chicken with the skin. And the first thing that I did was I emptied out the cavity of the chicken and threw all that away. You won't need that. And then I washed the chicken real well and we have it ready to go. For our spices, we have garlic powder. We have garlic powder. Please remember to use garlic powder and not garlic salt because we are trying not to add any extra salt to the recipe. We have black pepper. We have mustard powder. And we have some Italian seasoning. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna stir up all of our spices. And it's really simple recipe to do. One more reminder is I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just, after we mix all our spices together, we're gonna stick about 1 spoonful of these spices inside the chicken cavity. So I'm just gonna open it up. I'm gonna stick it in there. I'm just gonna rub it around. And then I'm gonna take the remainder of the spices and I'm just gonna drizzle it over the chicken. I'm gonna rub that on there. And then I have some lemon juice. This is the juice of 2 lemons, or if you just want to use the kind that's already made in the bottle, it's about 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I have 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I have 4 tablespoons of oil. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just gonna mix it together. And then I'm going to drizzle this mixture over the chicken. Nice and evenly. Okay. And then what I like to do is just make sure some of that gets underneath so that the bottom gets all the juices and spices as well. Our chicken is ready to go into the oven. We're gonna stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. If you have a thermometer, you'd want to make sure that the chicken will be ready when the thermometer shows 165 degrees. And you wanna stick that thermometer in the chicken at a juicy part of the chicken all the way in. So we're ready to go.